Thousands of solar irrigation pumps are installed across India every month under the Government of India's PM-KUSUM scheme, helping farmers access clean and sustainable energy. But before a subsidy can be released, every installation must be verified using multiple photographs submitted from the field. As installation volumes continue to grow, manual image verification becomes a major bottleneck. Teams spend hours reviewing images and verifying that each installation meets scheme requirements. One of India's leading manufacturers of solar and energy-efficient pumping solutions faced exactly this challenge. Their teams manually reviewed multiple installation images for every beneficiary. During peak installation periods, validation backlogs increased significantly. To keep pace, additional manpower was required, while inconsistent review decisions made audits and compliance even more challenging. The result was delayed project closures, slower subsidy approvals, and limited visibility into the overall validation process. To solve this, Feet Systems developed an Agentic AI-powered image validation solution on the UiPath Agentic Automation Platform. The process begins with an automation bot fetching beneficiary information and installation images directly from SAP through secure APIs. The agent then prepares the data by converting base 64 images, grouping them beneficiary-wise, generating PDFs, and batching records for processing. Next, the AI agent validates every installation parameter, detects incomplete or non-compliant images, assigns confidence scores, explains its reasoning, and classifies each validation point as pass or fail. Finally, the bot updates SAP automatically and routes only low-confidence or exception cases to human reviewers, ensuring that experts focus only where their attention is truly needed. The results delivered measurable business value. Manual validation effort was reduced by 90%. Average validation time per beneficiary dropped from 8 minutes to just 3 minutes. Installation approvals and subsidy reimbursements became significantly faster. Give operations teams full visibility into every decision. Ready to transform your processes and become agentic ready? Contact us.